All right, I wanted to add one more example that has some details in it, and I picked this problem from your textbook. It's exercise number 4 in the exercises list of section 2.1. It reads, so the point P 0.5 comma 0 is on the graph of y equals cosine of pi x. I called it f of x. So if Q is the point x comma cosine of pi x, it says use your calculator to find the slope of the second line PQ for the different values of x. So the number Roman number 1, x value is 0. So what we're going to calculate is, I'll call it M Roman number 1. We're going to calculate f of x minus f of 0.5 over x minus 0.5. In other words, we're going to calculate f of 0, that's the x value, minus f of 0.5 over 0 minus 0.5. F of 0 is you plug in 0 for x, you get cosine of 0 pi, which is cosine of 0, that is 1, minus cosine of pi times 0.5, or the y value here is 0. Okay, so 0 divided by 0 minus 0.5. This is 1 over minus 0.5, that's minus 2. Okay, the second x value is 0.4. So we're trying to calculate the slope from 0.4 to 0.5 on the x-axis. So the y values will be from 0.5 of 0.4 to f of 0.5 over 0.4 minus 0.5. So I put that in the calculator. Let's see if I get 0.4. The y value for 0.4. Okay. Y1 value for 0.4 is 0.309017. 0.3090. It says 6 decimal places in the problem. That's why I go to 6 decimal places divided by 0.4 minus 0.5. So the bottom is 0.1. So that gives me negative 3.0901770 to 6 decimal places. This is 699. Okay, and next is x equals 0.499. So let's call it MII. This is f of 0.499. No, 49. That's 0.49. I think I'm going too fast. That's the next one. Over 0.49 minus 0.5. This is 0.0314. 107591. 107591 over 0.01 negative, and this is 3.14 negative 3.14 1 0 7 1 2 3 4 5. I'll round it to 6 decimal places. Okay, and x equals 0.499. So the next one is f of 0.499 minus f of 0.5 over 499.5. So I get negative 3.1415 is 875. 1 2 3 4 8 8. That's six decimal places. So that's what they're asking. Okay. So that's what we got from left. Okay. We're gonna do the same problem, the same thing from right. Okay, they did from, okay, 5 is when x equals 1. So that's from the left side, approaching to 0.5. Now I'm gonna make a mark here, so just say that that's from the left side. And they want x equals 1, so f of 1 minus f of 0.5 over 1 minus 0.5. So that's cosine of pi, that's minus 1, minus 0 over 0.5. This is minus 2. Let me check my calculation. At 1, I get negative 2. That's good. So I put this in the calculator. F of 1, that's cosine of pi, that is minus 1. And f of 0.5, we already have that, that's 0. And 1 minus 0.5. Okay, so that's minus 2. X equals 0.6. You notice that we're approaching to 0.5 from the right side. So from 1 to 0.6 to 0.51 to 0.501. So the 0.6, m at 0.6 is f of 0.6 minus 0 over 0.6 minus 0.5. This is minus 3.0901699. 170. Okay, and the next one, x equals 0.51. The slope for that second line is f of 0.51 minus 0 over 0.51 minus 0.5. And that is equal to 0.51. I get negative 3.141076. It's the same number that I got with 0.49, and that's because the function is kind of symmetrical at 0.5. So to the left of 0.5 and to the right of 0.5, the function seems to have that symmetry with a symmetrical line at x equals 0.5. And the last one, x equals 0.501, and plug in 0.501, 0.501. That gives us 1588. So that's that. Now using your results, so the question number B says, using your results from part B, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve at 0.50. Well, we are assuming that this is approaching to some value, and the value that it's approaching, we can't say to 6 decimal places or 5 decimal places to a certain value. So we'll be using the same value, negative 3.14. Oh, it looks like it's approaching to pi. This is approaching to pi, okay? So this is approaching to pi, minus pi, and that's also approaching to minus pi, okay? So assuming that the slope is the slope of the tangent line minus pi, and the point is 0.5 comma 0, I will write the equation m x minus x1 plus y1, which is minus pi x minus 0.5 plus 0. Okay, so that will give me y equals minus pi x plus pi over 2 is the equation of the tangent line that I found at the line point 0.5 comma 0. And they ask us to sketch the graph. So that's question number B. This is question number C. And for D, they ask to sketch the graph. And if you plug that function into your y equals line, and the tangent function that I just found, minus pi x plus pi over 2, and you sketch the graphs of these two, you can see at 0.5 we get a tangent line with exactly minus pi over 2. That's what they're asking, and this is what the calculation looks like. All right, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just drop me an email and we can talk on Teams. All right, goodbye.